Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's create a Rakhi for kids craft and Laddu Gopal ji with Pom Pom and Thermocol balls. So let's get started.
Initially, narrow one end of the red ribbon and start inserting golden and white bead. First insert golden bead so that the Rakhi is secure. Then start inserting white bead alternatively.
Repeat this 3 times and insert 2 golden beads in the center, and again repeat this process for the other end also. You can see here I have attached an image for more clarity. Now part these 2 rows from the center and stick red foam glitter sheet in the center, cut in a circular shape. If you want, you can skip adding beads to your Rakhi. For your kids to make it easy, you can simply stick foam sheet cut in a circular part in the center with adding pom pom with the help of a Fevicol for kids. Apply Fevicol on the boundaries and start sticking multicolored thermocol balls. Paste a small crystal in the center, and here you are done with your pom pom and thermocol ball Rakhi for Laddu Gopal or for kids. Thank you so much for watching the video so patiently.